Hello, my name is Conny Wladkowski, and I'm coming all the way from Australia to present at the NGH 2024 convention. I will be presenting 3 seminars, and here are their titles. The first one is Healing from Childhood Trauma Without Regression. This is all about healing from past experiences without needing to use regression. I will talk about the neuroscientific reason how this is even possible, and I will share with you my 5-step process. The second title is How Unknown Traumas and Even Non-Traumatic Experiences Are Affecting Your Life Today and How to Resolve Them. In this class, I will teach you a straightforward, easy method how to help your client resolve this. I will share with you how non-traumatic everyday experiences have a big influence and effect on our life, and how two people experiencing the exact same traumatic event are affected differently. And this third class is Write Your Future by Changing Your Stories. The stories you're telling yourself. In this class, I'm going to teach you a really simple way to help your clients change their stories. I will be talking about the neuroscience of limiting beliefs and how to change them into positive beliefs for good. I've taught at many other hypnosis conferences around the world, but this is the first time coming to the NGH. So I hope to meet a lot of you, and I hope to see many of you in my class. So if you see me in the halls, feel free, come up and talk to me, introduce yourself to me. I'm excited to meet you all.